Happy Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a Western Kentucky winter wheat field where a 190 engine horsepower, 182 bushel John Deere 9450 combine is harvesting winter wheat 22 feet at a time with a John Deere 922 grain table. In this video, we're going to take a look at the combine's production history, specifications, and original price tag, as well as taking a ride up in the cab to see the farmer's perspective of harvesting wheat with this machine. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear all of this winter wheat harvesting action. John Deere introduced the 50 series range of combines for model year 2000 and manufactured them at the company's Harvester Works located in East Moline, Illinois through model year 2003. The 50 series represented 6 different combines offering 3 different threshing processes. This was the company's first entry into the rotary market with 2 STS single tine separation models. There was also a cylinder tine separation model, as well as 3 traditional walker machines, which had built a leadership position for the company since the late 1960s. The 9450 is the entry-level combine in the 50 series. It's also an end-of-an-era machine. It was the last combine produced in North America by John Deere that was a 4-row cornhead ready combine. When the company upgraded to the 60 series in model year 2004, a model 9460 was not included in that new lineup. The 9450 is powered by a 6.8 liter John Deere PowerTech 414 cubic inch diesel engine rated at 190 engine horsepower. This combine is fitted with a 150-gallon diesel fuel tank and features a 3-speed hydrostatic variable transmission. The combine features a cylinder concave threshing system with a 26 diameter cylinder that is 55 inches wide. The combine relies on 4 straw walkers for separation of the grain and offers 8,618 square inches of separating space. The 9450 is equipped with a 182 bushel grain tank that unloads through a 14-foot unloading auger at 2.2 bushels per second. The combine weighs in at 22,176 pounds, and it originally sold for $128,941 when it was new. Now that you're aware of some of the basic specifications of the John Deere 9450 combine, let's climb up in the cab and see the farmer's perspective of harvesting winter wheat with it. I'm up in the cab of the John Deere 9450 combine. It's a really nice machine. This was the entry-level model for John Deere's Walker combine lineup in the early 2000s, and you can see it here running the 922 header. As we come up to the headland, it's a very tight turning machine. You can see it turns very quickly. Drops back into the wheat, it'll start threshing, and we can look back here in the grain bin and see that wheat start to pour out. So Cole, your farm here had a 9500 before. How do you like the updated 9450?
I like it a lot. It's a lot nicer, newer, electronic wise. Handles a lot better.
Well, it looks like you're moving just a little over 3 miles per hour here through the wheat.
Yes, sir.
You got all your controls down here on the joystick, and makes it easy to operate.
Yes, sir.
We can see the instrumentation here is on the corner post of the combine, and you have additional controls up here on the roof of the cab, as well as information on your settings and different monitors to alert you what's going on with the combine. It has a mirror here to be able to watch the unloading auger when it comes out, and overall just a really nice combine. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in this winter wheat field, hearing and seeing the harvest, as well as spending time up in the cab of this John Deere 9450 combine. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use a John Deere 50 series combine on your farm. Let me know if it's a Walker machine like this 9450, an STS, or a CTS model. Tell me about the crops that you're harvesting with it. If you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional harvesting content from the channel, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to more Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.